Welcome to CAD Institute. In this tutorial, we will design a hammerhead in SolidWorks using the Loft command. Let's start by creating a new part. Create 3 planes parallel to the front plane. Select the front plane, go to Reference Geometry, and choose Plane. Set the first plane at a distance of 50 mm. Repeat the same process for the second plane, keeping the same 50 mm distance. For the third plane, follow the same steps, but set the distance to 80 mm. Front plane, start a new sketch and draw a center rectangle. Select its lines and make them equal. Set the length of the rectangle to 120 mm. First plane. Create a sketch and draw a circle at the origin with a diameter of 100 mm. Second plane. Create a sketch and draw a circle with a diameter of 160 mm. Third plane, start a sketch, select the circle from the previous sketch, and use Convert Entities to project it onto this plane. Now, hide all the planes. Go to Features, select the Loft command, and select all the sketches in sequence. Click OK to complete the lofted shape. Start a new sketch on the right plane and draw the profile as shown. The length of the line is 400 mm. The angle is 20 degrees. Select the arc and make it tangent to the line. Draw a small center line perpendicular to this line. This will be used to create a plane. Go to Reference Geometry, select Plane, and use the right plane and the center line to define the new plane. Start a sketch on this new plane and draw a center point rectangle. The width is 10 mm. The length is 300 mm. Use the Loft command again, selecting this sketch and the face of the hammerhead. Scroll down, click on Centerline Parameters, and select the arc as the guide curve. Press OK. Apply a 2 mm fillet to these two faces. Apply another 2 mm fillet to the selected edges. Our hammerhead design is now complete. Finally, assign materials to give it a realistic appearance. That's how you can design a hammerhead in SolidWorks. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thanks for watching.